Hi everyone, this is Gautam, Assistant Professor, worked as a Department of Mechanical Engineering in SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So today we are going to see about the topic of FMEA, which is nothing but failure mode and effective analysis. Sorry, it's failure mode and effective analysis. So here the FMEA is nothing but is also called risk analysis. Not that word, risk analysis is a preventive measure to systematically display the cause and effects and possible action regarding the observation failures. So this is a FMEA process to find out the analysis, what are the risk factors are there. It is anticipate failures and prevent them from occurring failure and attempts to eliminate their cause. FMEA is an engineering technique used to define, identify, eliminate known and the potential failures, problems, error which occurs in the system, design process and services. So FMEA is before the event action and is done when existing system products, process are changed or redesigned. So FMEA includes system one must analyze the components, subsystems, main system in early stages of design. Second one is define stage, analyze the products before the release of manufacturing. Third one is process FMEA. Process FMEA is focused on manufacturing and assembly process. Fourth one is service FMEA. Service FMEA is analyze service in industry process before they are released in the impact factor. Second one is equipment FMEA, and next one is experiment FMEA, then followed by maintenance FMEA, then concept FMEA and environmental FMEA, failure mode effect analysis. So this is some categorized for FMEA. Let's get into the topic by one. So here first one is define FMEA. Here this define FMEA involves that analyze the potential failure of product or service due to the component or subsystem lagging. DFMEA is to be established prioritized based on expected failures and severity of those failures. Second one is process FMEA. Processes involves a failure analysis of manufacturing process. So this the benefits of FMEA is improve product process reliability and quality, increase customer satisfaction, then early identification and elimination of potential products, then prioritize the product process deficiency, capture engineering and organizers knowledge, then document and track the action to reduce risk, provide focus from improved testing and development, then minimize late changes and associated cost, act at a catalyst from teamwork and ideas given. So here some stages of FMEA methodology is first one is specifying possibilities like a function, possible failure, root cause analysis, effective detection and prevention, etc. Second one is qualifying risk, probability of cost, severity of effect, effectiveness of control to prevent cost, etc. RPN is nothing but risk priority number. Then followed by correcting high risk causes like periodic works, detailing action, assigning action responsibilities, then checkpoints of completion. Then re-evaluation of risk, recalculation of RPN. RPN is nothing but as I mentioned earlier, risk priority number. EFMEA procedure which consists of describe the product's process and its function, then create a black diagram or product of the product and service, then complete the header of the FMEA worksheet, then followed by list out the products or process in function in the working area, then followed by identify the failure modes like a failure mode, descriptive potential effects, failure effect, establish numerical ranks, then class column, then followed by identify the potential causes, probability factors, control charts, childhood detection like from begin stage, then RPN. As I mentioned, RPN is calculated by some formula like RPN is equal to severity into occurrence into detection, SOD. By using this formula we can calculate the RPN easily. So this is the overall package of FMEA, failure effective mode analysis. So here some list of the summaries are FMEA is also called a risk analysis as we mentioned earlier. The objective of FMEA is anticipating failure and preventing them from occurring. Then FMEA process, design FMEA and process FMEA. This is two types. Then in specific there are 4 stages. First one is specifying possibilities. Second one is qualifying the risks, then correcting the risk, then re-evaluation of risk. This is the overall package of failure mode effective analysis. So here I have shown some FMEA chart just for your example. Just go through it. Thank you.